Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A1 S-Line 30 TFSI and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1 litre petrol engine you get 108 brake horsepower with 200 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 10.3 seconds and onto a top speed of 124 mph. On the front we had these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 17-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the rear tailgate open you get 335 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. With the rear seats folded down you get 1090 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather and part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, with both outer seats coming with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sports seats with S-Badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with the manual air conditioning you have full control of the temperature, direction and speed of the air, as well as demisting the rear windscreen. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or somebody come take a look for yourself.